Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to learn that how we can make a dynamic sales report dashboard in Google Data Studio. We are going to present our data to our management in a very easy and useful form. As you can see here that we have different data presentation charts and tools, and we have here a control tabs. If you are going to click on this tab overview, it will redirect to the overview page of this report. If you are going to click on the sales report tab, so you will be here on another page. Also, we have here a date control button. If you click on any date selection range like January 2019 first to June 2020, if you click on apply, the data will appear here for this date range selection. If you click on again from July 1st to 30th June 2020, if you click on apply, as you can see here, our data appears as per the date range selection. This dashboard will help our management in monitoring the sales activities, and it will help them to make good decisions to increase the efficiency of sales department. Let's see how we can create this dynamic dashboard. The first thing we need to know is the database, which is very important to create a dashboard in Google Data Studio. We need to structure our database in a way which is understandable for Google Data Studio. I have created the database in Google Sheets. Google Sheet is a same program like Excel. Let's see our database, that how we have structured our data which is understandable for Google Data Studio. This is the Google Sheets interface when we are making login. If you need to bring your data from Excel, you need to click on blank. If you click on blank, there is an interface same like Excel. You need to copy and paste the data here. Let's see our report, which we already have created in our Google Data Sheets. This is the report which we need to connect with our Google Data Studio. Let's click on it and understand the database. The database in Google Data Studio should be column wise. As you can see here, I have created the first column year, and this is 2018 to 2019 and 2020 until 2020. The second column I have created here for month. Month will be, the first month is July 2018. As you can see here, I have created here for 1 month of July, and there are different columns for customers. In month of July, you have these customers like Rebecca, Noel, Tom, this so on, these customers. As long as the list goes down, you have to drag down the month here, like 31st July 2018, drag it down to the end of, till the data of that month will not end. Orders, we have here a column of orders. As you can see here, orders, how many orders a customer has given to the salesperson. Here we have a salesperson name, how many salesperson we have. The orders goes to this salesperson, Ben's, 2 orders from Rebecca, and Noel, 1 order to Michael. And also this order is from New York, the customer location. This is all the locations I have put it here by month wise, and you can see here monthly data by year wise, and here the sales value of each order. As you can see here the 2 orders for $250, one order for $249 and one order for $247, and the total sales value for this month is till here. As you can see here, sum is $11,828 for this month's sale. So as long as you have many orders, you can put it in a column wise, and you have to keep on going with the month wise. The next thing you need to understand here, a very important thing, that these columns, the data format should be, as you can see here, this is a plain text column. Even though you can make this column as date, but date should be for the year. You need to change the format to the year. But if you want to keep it like that as a plain text, there will be no problem. For the month column, we need to make a format as date. As you can see here, it is a date format. For the customer, the format is plain text. For the orders, format is plain text. Even you can make this format as numbers. You can see here, these are the numbers format. This one also format should be number format. You have to make sure about these things. The format should be numbers, text, or the date. It is very important for the Google Data Studio to understand the data. We can change our report name here anytime. We can write any name here, ABC sales report. The next thing we need to do is we need to go to our Google Data Studio dashboard, and we can click on these three dots to see the interface, the starting interface of the Google Data Studio. If you go to google.com and write here Google Data Studio and enter, you will be having here Google Data Studio product overview. Welcome to Google Data Studio. Click here, click on this and go to Data Studio. So we are here on the interface. What we need to do here is we need to create a new report. We already have created some reports here. If you want to see any report, you can click on any report you can see here. Like if we click on this report, you can see here, this is the report which we are going to create today. So we will go back here and we are going to start a report from scratch, that how I have created that dashboard. So I will show you now. So we will click on this blank report and you will see here connect to data. What it means, we need to connect our database to the Google Data Studio. We have our database in Google Sheets. So we will click on the Google Sheets. Our report name was ABC Sales Report. If you click on it, as you can see here, here is ABC Sales Report. This is our sheet name which we are going to connect here. You need to click on the sheet where the data is available, sheet number 1, and you need to click here add. Once you click on the add button, you are about to add data to this report. Okay, add to report, we are fine on it. We are here. As you can see here, our data source is connected here, ABC sales report. Okay, we are going to delete this, change the report name here, ABC sales report number 1 or number 2, whatever you like, you can change the name. Now the second thing we need to do is we need to go to the resource and manage edit data source. When we click on it, we will go to edit mode and we need to see here we have some fields here, customer, which should be, the type should be in the text, customer location, the type should be in city, or you can make it as text, whatever you like, there is no problem. For the month, you have here year, month, date, but we need the month, you know, this is the date format. So we will go to date and we are here year, month. Okay, 3 dots, we need to duplicate it and we need to make it here as date. date by daily basis, like year, date and month. Okay. The next thing we need to see here, orders in number format. Okay. Salespersons in text format. Okay. Sales value in number format, as you can see here, sales value in numbers format, and year in the year format. Cool. Now our database is ready to use. Click on done and close. Now we need to adjust the layout of this dashboard. We will click on here layout, unchoose has margins, and width will be 1800 pixels by 900 height. As you can see here, now this is wide enough to present our data. The next thing, we need to create a rectangular, and on the top we will be making here, okay, we can change here the background colors. If we are making it this color, now we need to create here our buttons. Click on text. The first one is overview. We will format this overview white, bold, and in the middle 24, Cambria, better, and background will be this. Add border shadow with the outline, white outline. Cool. We will copy, paste, and we will make a second one is sales report. Cool. We will adjust them here on the report. Now we need to create here a page. You can see here the first page is, rename it as overview. Second page, rename sales report. Cool. Now go to the overview page, and we need to create here date range selection button. The date range selection button is here. We need to select a date. We are going to select 2019 July 1st to June 2020, 30th June 2020. Okay, we are going to style this button white, 18 pixel, and the background is color. Add border shadow, and this one is also going to our report here. We need to select all of them and arrange as make as report level. Now what happened here, as you can see here, if you click on sales report page, you have here these tabs. Now we need to connect these tabs to the pages we have created. The overview page, select link, click on here and click on overview, apply, reformat this to white. This one we need to create and link this to the page number sales report, apply, and reformat this to white color. Now if you click on view mode, you can see here, if we click on overview, we are here on the overview page. If you click on sales, we are here 2 of 2 page. As you can see here, 2 of 2, 1 of 2. So our buttons are working properly. Our date range selection is working properly. We will go to edit mode and start making our report. Let's add a scorecard here. scorecard of total sales value. We need to change here the metric sales value, and here we need to make a comparison with previous year, previous period, whatever you like. Apply. Cool. We will go to style and we will use the compact numbers. Okay, and hide comparison label. Okay, and hide metric name, make it in the middle. Cool. Now we need to add a text label here on it, which is sales, total sales. We will format this here, blue color, bold, and 30, and Cambria color I like. Okay, and add border shadow, white color, and this should be outline. Okay, so here we will do here arrange, order, send to back. We will arrange here a little. We will copy this and paste for the next scorecard, which is total orders. Click on this scorecard and go to data. Here orders, metric, change the metric to orders. The other things will be same here, the previous year comparison. We will change the text here, total orders. We will copy this, Control V, and here we want to see the total customers we handle. Okay, click on the scorecard for the value, go to data and click on customers. Cool. Now we need to show the total sales and the total orders completed by each sales individual. Let's create a heading here. Sale by team. Format this 18 pixel, bold and underline, middle. Okay, good. Copy this and paste. Here we can write here orders. Now we need to create a rectangular. Okay, and add border shadow. Here arrange, send to back. Okay, copy this scorecard, Control C, Control V, and bring this down here. Okay, click on the scorecard, go to data, and we need to know the sales value of our salesperson. His name is here, you can see here, suppose his name is Benz. We will copy this Benz and we will go to our report. We will create here a filter. Add a filter, name Benz sales. Include, select the field here, salesperson. Okay, condition equal to Benz, make sure the spelling of the Benz should be the same in the database. So the Google Data Studio can filter this. Click on save. Okay, cool. We have here the data for Benz. Click on the scorecard and we will change here Benz. This is the sales of Benz. Now we are going to copy this and paste here for the next one. We will click on this scorecard, and now which salesman do we need? We need here Michael. We will copy this. We will go here. We will add a filter, cancel this filter. Here the date range okay, metric is okay, previous data comparison is okay, and we need to cancel this. We need to add here a filter, create a filter, Michael sales. Okay, include, select a field here, salesperson, condition equal to, and Michael. We will save here, and we have here the sales for Michael. Copy this, paste here, and again, if you face like this that no data from previous year, you can refresh the report and you will get the data here. As you can see here, sometime it happens, so you should not worry about it. So now we are going to click here which salesperson we need, Penetrante. Copy and paste here Penetrante. Click on the scorecard, go to data label, cancel this Michael, add a filter, create a filter, Penetrante sales. Okay, include, select a field as a salesperson, equals, and Penetrante. Why I have selected here salesperson? Because the column we have chosen here is the salesperson. So we will save here. Cool, we have here the data for Penetrante also. The third salesperson, we will copy this, paste here. The third or fourth is Rishabh. We will copy this. We are going to paste here the name Rishabh. Click on the scorecard, go to data, cancel Penetrante, add a filter control button, create a filter, Rishabh sales, include, salesperson, condition is equal to, and here Rishabh, save. Cool. Refresh the report. You have here all the data with the comparison of the previous year. We need to arrange these all as per our first. Okay, cool. Now we need to copy these all, Control C, Control V, and we need to make here how much orders they have completed. Benz, click on Benz and the scorecard of Benz, go to data label, and here we will click on metric orders instead of sales. We need to know the orders, how many orders he has completed. Here is Benz sales. So here is no need to filter now because we already have here the Benz from the sales column, from this column, salesperson column. So no need to cancel this filter and add a new filter. It is already here. For the Michael, we need to change here metric order, and he has completed 317 orders. For Penetrante, we need to do the same, change the metric. For Rishabh, we need to do the same. We need to change the metric as orders. Cool. We will arrange them. Nice. If we are going to go on view mode, you can see here our scorecards are looking cool, showing the data exactly what we were needed to show our management. We will go to on edit mode. The thing I have noticed here, this decimal 0.0 is not looking cool. It's not very nice looking. So what you need to do is click on this scorecard, go to style and click on here 0 decimal. Same you can do for all of them to make them looks elegant. Cool. Now this is looking very nice. Let's create here a time series chart to show the data of total sales by year. As you can see here, we have, if you go to view mode, as you can see here we have a data of daily basis like 20, 21, 20 July. What is the problem? Why the data is showing on daily basis? We need to go to edit mode and click on this chart, and here dimension should be year. And the next thing is here we need sales. The sales will be the total sales. Click here and name should be total sales by year. Okay, as you can see here the name is changed here. What else we need to do here? We need to make a comparison with previous year. Apply. You can see here the comparison is here, total sales by year, previous year. Now go to the style and we want this chart by bars. See, it's very cool. Change the color, and if you want to show the data labels, you can show the data labels here. It's also looking very nice. And the second thing, add border background and add border shadow. Very nice. Now if you go to view mode, you can see here 2019 data and 2020 data with the comparison of previous year data, which is looking cool and elegant. Go to edit mode. Now we are going to create here a text to make a title. Report overview, sales report overview. You can say here sales report overview. Now we need to change the font color. Cambria I like. Make it in the middle, and size you can make it whatever you like, 48. Make it bold. Cool. Now we need to do one thing more, rectangular. Create on the top of it and change the color to little darker and make it round, 50% round. Good. Add border shadow, outline white. Good. And arrange it to the back. Cool, very cool. It's looking cool. Now we can add here a text again. ABC company sales report dashboard. Go on, change formatting is important. Oh, very huge. It's okay, make it middle. You can add here a logo of the company. Yeah, I have downloaded this logo. Bring up an image here, and this is ABC company sales report. Our overview page is ready. and if you want to see view it, it's looking very elegant and useful. If you are going to select the date range, you can change here from January 2019 and to June. Apply here. You can see here the data is changed. Now we need to go to edit mode and we need to create here our second page sales report. Okay, the first thing we need to do here, we need to add a time series chart here. As I have told you earlier, this is on the daily base. We need to change here by monthly. We need a monthly data now. And here we need sales value, metric, record, count, cancel. Comparison will be with the previous year from July 2018 to June 2019. Cool. We will go to style and make it bars. Color we can use this. Very nice. This is, as you can see here, this is a 1 year data. The next thing we need to do is background white, add border shadow, and here we can change the name, total sales by month. Okay, copy this, paste here, copy this, paste here. Click on this chart. We are going to check the orders by month. Metric, change only the metric, because when you are copying any time series chart, all the things will be same except the metrics you need to change only. So we will change the metric. Okay, we will change here the name, total orders by month. We will go to style and change the color. Color you can make it as green. Click on this chart now, go to data, and here we need to see the customers. Okay, here total customers by month. Okay, click on this chart, go to style and change the color here. You can make it red. Now we need to add here a table. We are going to see the data for years by orders and by sales. Here we need to show our data by years. As you can see here, year, and here metric will be orders and sales value. You can add as much columns as you like. If you see here the columns, sales value and orders, I need to show these two columns. So if you want to show any other column here, you can show, there is no problem. You can add metric here as much as you like. And here shows summary row. This is the summary row here, the totals, and comparison will be with the previous year. You can see here these comparison columns. Okay, we need to go to style now. We need to format this white color, 14 or 16 pixels. Okay, row even color will be light gray. Table labels, we can make them blue. Okay, show pagination. No, we don't want to see the paginations, so unchoose. And column 1 dimension numbers, we want to see the compact numbers. Column 2 numbers, we need to see the bar and show a number. And what we need to do here, compact numbers, show target. If you have any target of sales value, you can put here the value and see if they have achieved the target or not. You can put here, like here, 50,000 target, both are achieved, the 50,000. So the target line color you can make it as a red color. Okay, background color will be white. Add border shadow. Now we can do the adjustment of this chart. Copy this, Control C, Control V, and now we want to see the data according to our sales team in this table, that how much they have achieved their targets. If you go to database, we need dimension here, not year. We need here salespersons. We want to see their performance. Okay, we have here 4 salespersons and the orders they get and the sales they have. Okay, now we need to, what we need to do here, we need to check the target value. Go to style, and we have set it here a target, like for them we have 30,000 target, or you can make it 25,000 target. As you can see here, if they have achieved the target or not. So you can see here the comparison with the previous year, how much they improve if you compare with the previous year data. So all of them, they improved with the sales value, but the orders value, Benz did not improve. His orders are less than the previous year, but the sales value is higher than the previous year. So he is improving, not much, but he is improving. Now we need to add here a bar chart to see the orders came from which city. We need to see how many orders came from which city by location. Like here, the date range dimension, we need to delete this, and here we will make dimension the customer location, and here we need to know the orders. Orders by customer location. Okay, how much orders we get from New York, Bristol, Newcastle, Birmingham, Derby and London. We need to go to style, and we can choose to show the data labels. We can change the color, and here we need to add border shadow. Okay, we will copy this and paste here, and now we need to know by salesperson, like how many orders get a salesperson. Dimension will be salesperson, like Benz got this much orders, and here we can change the sum name by orders by sales person. Go to style and change the color. It's looking very bad color. Okay, we can add here a pie chart to get another idea of our sales, how much area covered by a year. As you can see here, we can have the data by year, and metric is sales volume. We can add here a drill down button, which is a very good feature of Google Data Studio. We can add here a monthly data. If you added here a monthly data, I will show you how it will look like. So go to style, and the dimension, slice color, you can change whatever you like. And how it will look like, go to view mode. You can see here the part of 2019 and 2020. This is the drill down button. If you click here, you can have here the monthly data for the whole year. As you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 slices, and the one is others. We don't need others here. We want to see here the full year month, like 12 months. We will go to edit mode, Click on the pie chart, go to style, and here on the slices we need 12 slices. Now if you go to view mode and click on here, you will be having here 12 slices, 1 2 3 4 5 till end. Very cool. We will go to edit mode, and now we are going to copy this and paste here to create another one, another pie chart. This pie chart will show us the sales by location, how much sales we get from different locations. We will delete these dimension values and we will add here a dimension customer location. Okay, so this pie chart is showing us the sales volume of different locations, as you can see here. And if you go to style, we can make it as a donut. This one also a little bit donut, not much, so it's looking light. We can add here titles, sales by time period. We will format this to blue and 20. You can keep it here, copy this, paste, and this is sales by location. Make it bold, this one also bold. I hope you like our today's video. If we are going to click on view mode, as you can see here, our sales report is looking very elegant. This was a sample report, and if you need to add any additional variable, I have teach you everything in a very easy way, how you can add new variables to add in this report, and you can show as per your requirement to your management. So if you are going to click on overview tab, you can see here there is a simple overview for the management to see the dashboard data. And if you click on sales report tab, you can see here the data. If our management wanted to see only the data for like 2020, from January 2020 to June 2030, so if you click on apply, the data will be here for only for 6 months data. As you can see here, it is automatically changed. Overview data is also changed from January 2020 to June 30th 2020. And I hope you like our today's video. Please don't forget to support us. Please subscribe our channel, because this thing will keep motivating us to create new videos for you. Thank you very much and take care.